Knead the seal stick until a uniform dark gray color. When it gets slightly heated up, place the seal stick onto the pipe near the location of the leak. Start wrapping the ultra sealing tape around the pipe while pushing the seal stick against the leak. Continue wrapping the ultra sealing tape until the seal stick is completely wrapped and the roll is finished. Soak the fiberglass tape in water. Wrap the wet fiberglass tape over the ultra sealing tape as tightly and as evenly as possible, using the entire roll. Stroke the surface rapidly and firmly while adding more water in order to fully activate and compress the resin into the wrap to ensure a strong and lasting repair.